We have here a Superb Mercedes GLA 2016 plate with just over 20,000 miles. It is in a very highly desirable calcite white paint, complemented by the factory-fitted command online navigation system. It has a very good spec, which includes rear parking camera, command online navigation system, mobile telephone connectivity. The vehicle has front heated seats and come with a full Mercedes main dealer service history. It is in a very good condition both inside and outside. Any viewing and test drives are very welcome.